Where are we?
We're at Sonoma Raceway.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another track day. It's my first time here at Sonoma and I'm super excited. I've heard a lot of good and bad about this track, but I can't wait to get out there and see what I feel about it. My fiance has promised to buy me a helmet, so we're gonna go helmet shopping. I'm going to give a bunch of rides to my friends, but first let's walk around the paddock and see what's out there.
Camera woman is clocking in for work.
You didn't like the long holder?
That looks very sexual.
I made sure to get it in pink just for you. By the way, if you're new to the channel, my name is OP and I'm pretty much documenting getting faster on track and building this car out to compete in something I don't know. We'll find out.
Actually, yes. I have this car, but not like this.
Yeah, so it's got ABS, you change on the fly. You turn it off if you want. Traction control, you can change the mapping on that. And yeah, you can scroll through the screens too, so you can like see what amps are running. You even got a like configuration to see like if you want to sell it, that's all information you want, like how many miles, how many times you got over rev, things like that.
Cool.
And then it gives you an air page. So see how these are all green?
Yeah.
You have no issue.
Same engine as original?
Exact same stock.
Oh,
yeah.
And you haven't had any issues here because there's a lot of right turns.
So what it is we have a oil cooler that has a lot more capacity. And with all the extra capacity, it doesn't get starved.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Cool. What's your name?
Tommy.
OP. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Any of these are your cars?
I wish. No, I work for Corvette.
So these are like race teams or just
No, they're actually
arrive and drive?
they're private owners. It's a unique car. There's like 15 of them in the world. It's surprising it's legal.
You just sign away the waiver at the front before you enter, and then
Right, exactly. That's
Whatever
that's the
happens,
legal
happens.
part. Good point. That is the legal part.
whatever happens, happens.
Indeed.
All right, skinny bitch. Suck it in. Or loosen it up.
I almost shot my pants. Like this shit my pants. I went off at once. You see me? I went 4 off.
I was trying to find you.
Let's go over there. We can do our debrief interview. You okay?
Fine. There's too many public.
Yeah, it did look crowded. I saw you passing a bunch of people.
Wow. What's the point of being in advance if I have to keep... All right, well, as far as pace, good first session, but disappointing session as far as traffic goes. Every single lap, I don't know if it's the tires or the surface, but like there's not a lot of feedback. So you either have grip or you don't. You kind of have to work with that. There's not a lot of sliding. You have to have fast hands. Like you're basically hearing the tires squeal all the time, but like normally when you hear the tires squeal on other tracks, it's because you're losing grip. Here it's kind of like peak grip, so like yeah, so I don't know, it was fine. Sonoma is fun, a lot of nice hills and stuff. It feels just like it does on sim, so no surprises there.
Do that again.
Feels like I'm in a group with novices and I'm not that fast. There's 48s, but only one time because there's no other laps.
Mr. I'm not that fast.
And I am hereby a novice. What do you ride? 450.
Hey, stop too.
Let's go look at helmets. You want to get bumped to a faster group?
No, this is the fastest group.
Really? All right, subtle flex.
See, I'm in the fastest group. I'm not that fast.
Corvette. So low T is supposed to Y.
Call it as it is. He has a big head.
Oh, whoa. Let's see what helmet you can get into.
It's okay. We're not here for me.
How does it feel though?
It feels good. It's not too tight.
Okay. Do you have any pressure points in the crown or the cheeks?
No. There's a tiny bit more pressure up and down.
Okay.
Definitely more pinch points in the cheeks.
Okay.
Damn, it kind of sucks that like my head feels more bell shaped than Stella shaped.
You're a bell head.
Hey, you're a pro. God, she's gonna get hits.
Can I say hi to this camera?
Yeah.
Hi. I'm back. Back as a fiance this time. We'll see how I do. Alright,
Yeah, a lot of tires. Which I have also experienced the MagRide version, right? It did not handle like that car. You cannot just chuck in the corner like that under hard braking.
You mean the non-MagRide one?
No, the MagRide, right?
Oh, okay.
So I have, my car is MagRide.
Yeah.
So I put it in and did 2 track day with it. And what I noticed is that it was better than the non-MagRide for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, it was definitely better than the non-MagRide. But it was still very soft under hard braking, which you probably experience here.
Yeah.
Like hard braking, it still dive a lot. But then the thing is, I just feel like you have a ton. From what I can see from this seat, you could use more of the track.
What turn would you say you noticed that at?
Huh?
What turn would you say you noticed?
I would say 4. Same for 5 too. 5, you not full throttle in.
I see. So you're basically saying full throttle all the way there. I guess I'm just scared because, you know,
you can turn later because you're turning a little too early.
I see.
So you kind of in the bind basically.
Yeah.
You run out of room.
Yeah.
You can turn in a little bit later.
Okay. Yeah, I get what you mean.
You're just tracking out for the sake of tracking out.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, not like I'm not powering.
You're not like at the limit of the grid.
Yeah.
Right? So that means you could have accelerated more.
Yeah.
Earlier,
to get.
I mean, it's dangerous. So do it slowly.
Yeah.
Progress it slowly, okay?
Yeah.
So if you hug the 9 all the way around, it's hard to go on the cut.
Yeah.
But if you go 9 slightly wide and cut back in,
then you're basically waiting to
you're basically straight on the curb
yeah.
to brake, release the brake, and then turn into 10.
Yeah.
So right now you're kind of like you're hugging really, really tight. What you gave me the tip,
yeah,
you didn't follow.
I know.
I follow, and again a second.
Hey.
But man, that was pretty good driving.
Awesome. Thank you
I also like your setup a lot, by the way.
Yeah.
It's good. Thumbs up. Don't change anything.
This is probably the worst footage that OP is gonna review.
Don't do that.
I'm looking at the sheep.
Oh.
Sheep looks cool. How many rides?
3.
3?
Yeah.
Could be more. Not really.
Yeah.
It's tiring being a passenger.
Yeah, it gets a little bit nauseating. Yeah.
Cool. Well, up to dinner, right?
Yes.
Well, bye.